If you've been injured on the job in California, it's important to understand your rights and the steps you need to take to protect them. One of the most important things to know is how long you have to file a workers' compensation claim. In California, injured workers generally have 1 year from the date of their injury to file a claim for workers' compensation benefits. This deadline is known as the statute of limitations, and it applies to all workers' compensation claims in the state. However, there are many exceptions to this rule. One such exception is if you report your claim and are not given certain documentation, like a claim form, the statute of limitations may be extended. Another exception is in the case of cumulative trauma claims or injuries you suffered without knowing it and a doctor confirming the injury was caused by work, example, chemical inhalation, repetitive injuries, etc. You will need to provide evidence to support your claim. It's important to note that the statute of limitations for workers' compensation claims in California is much shorter than the deadline for personal injury claims. Personal injury claims generally have a deadline of 2 years from the date of the injury, but this deadline does not apply to workers' compensation claims. If you've been injured on the job and are considering filing a workers' compensation claim, it's important to act quickly. The sooner you file your claim, the better your chances of receiving the benefits you need and deserve. To file a workers' compensation claim in California, you will need to complete a claim form and submit it to your employer and the insurance carrier. You may also need to submit it to the California Division of Workers' Compensation. Eventually, you will also need to provide medical documentation of your injury and proof that the injury occurred while you were on the job. If you have any questions about the workers' compensation process in California, it's a good idea to speak with a qualified attorney. A knowledgeable attorney can help you understand your rights and ensure that you receive the benefits you need to recover from your injuries and get back to work. In summary, injured workers in California have 1 year from the date of their injury to file a claim for workers' compensation benefits. There are a few exceptions to this rule, and it's important to act quickly to protect your rights and ensure that you receive the benefits you need. Please call us to help you on your workers' compensation case at 818-861-9675. We don't charge any upfront fees. If we don't recover for you, we charge no fee.